I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for social media management. So ClickUp is a very versatile tool and it can be used for social media management by organizing tasks, scheduling posts, tracking content progress, and collaborating with your team. So the first step you can do is set up a workspace specifically for social media management. Just go ahead and tap on this top option and tap on create workspace. Use a name that you want. Tap on create workspace. You can either choose to name social media or social media marketing. Completely your choice. And now just create lists for each social platform. Just go ahead and tap on this option create and tap on create task. So now all you need to do is choose options like Instagram, tap on create again, and choose Facebook, create, do that again, choose LinkedIn. So all sorts of social media platforms. So the lists will act as a container for tasks related to that platform's content. So this will help you organize all the social media tasks, and this way you would successfully be able to use ClickUp for social media management. You can also choose to assign tasks to specific members, and this will help you organize a lot. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you again next time. Please give us a like and drop us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.